Happy Thanksgiving! Today's Thanksgiving. It's a blessing to be alive, to live and see another Thanksgiving, another holiday. It's a blessing every year. I know I appreciate it as I get older. You don't realize what the meaning of Thanksgiving is or any holiday. So, y'all be looking out for my next video, like for Christmas. Hopefully, like I do like a video. I was thinking maybe do one like so like
Thanksgiving Day. It's Thanksgiving Day. Let's be thankful. Let's be thankful.
I want to say
Thanksgiving Day.
top 3 things. The first reason is family and friends.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa.
They always support me.
Oh, precious to me.
I never have a problem and go to them. When I have a problem,
Thank you, Uncle.
I'll probably go to them.
Thank you, Auntie. We
And
are
family is always the number one
family.
important key. Like never
Thanksgiving Day. It's Thanksgiving Day. Let's be thankful. Let's be thankful.
Family knows who you are as a person.
Thanksgiving Day.
But friends, it depends on the person. I think like no more than like 15 years or longer than that. Yeah, if it's like 10 years or less, then yeah, you still have to get that know that person as a friend. So the second reason is food. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm just a little tired because yesterday I had to pick up my order. Thanksgiving order with my grandmother. Honey baked hams. Like it was like a lot of people getting their order. Like it's the best thing. Like to go do any order for any holidays. Just like just do it online. Either you can pay online. You know, with most places now just sell cash or card, right? Except for chips, really. So really, mostly places these days accept cards, but not everyone has a card. But yeah, if you do any holiday order, like I did, like place an order online, either you pay with card or just pay at the store instead of you waiting that long line. So yeah, food. You always have to have food to eat, and it's a blessing. Like Grandma would say, like you have to be thankful for your daily bread, like in the Bible. Thank you for your daily word, daily bread, and say your prayers. Say prayers before you eat, and you know that time. And third thing, the third thing is shelter, because not everybody has shelter. Because I see like so many homeless people out there, like in the streets. And when I be driving, and I see like several homeless people holding up a sign saying like it's my birthday and they're homeless. You know, I need like $2 or need some money because they're poor and they need a family. Money and they don't have a family or something. But to be honest, I think some of them, maybe a few of them are lying about the situation, but I don't know them because you know I don't know them personally. I don't even know them at all. They don't even know me, but I give them maybe like $1 or $2, or you know, like I did like a few weeks ago, about a month ago, like a homeless guy, a lady was asking for money and they gave someone in the store like a lollipop. That was so nice because they wanted something. They weren't really all that, just to thank you for blessing. Yeah, most people, we need to really do that, especially in our black community, because we're all just like on black crime. And yeah, I'm not gonna mention that, but yeah, all lives matter. Yeah, that's what they say. But we just need more black on black police. Just and yeah, I'm finna show you guys like what order I have ordered for Thanksgiving. I might get more, but it just I ordered like mac and cheese, one dinner rolls, and also turkey breast, like for Christmas order.